Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you a tiny camper. It's the Duncan 550. It's on the Ford Transit Custom base, and for something like this is how much money you're looking at. 74,550, 545 centimeters in length, so it's just a little bit longer than those on the shortest Fiat Ducato, Peugeot or Citroen base. And what's clever about this is back here, and what I like about this is this down there. There's your toilet. It's also, you have a shower in here as well, and as far I think that this is absolutely essential in a camper. Without having a toilet and washing facilities, it is not self-contained. Access is via this thing here, and you open that up. It may be a bit difficult to use whilst without the tent being up, but not impossible. Over here, 2 burners and a sink. We've got storage below, and over here we'll find we've got the forward-facing bench. Not particularly comfortable, but you can make a chair out of this. Sorry, a bed out of this as well. And in here we'll find there's a fridge, a small fridge, 2-way fridge from Mestic. Don't see many of them around, but I bet we're going to see a lot more in years to come. Bed, a tent I should say, to the rear to allow you to actually stand up when you're working in the kitchen or you're in the washroom there. Let's I'll show you another one as well, because there's another one over here. This is a slightly smaller one, and so this thing here on the same base, which is the Ford Transit Custom Duncan 545. This thing is 534 centimeters long, and you can see once more the tent and the roof pointing to open at the back. And this one here though is a good 20,000 euros cheaper. Obviously it depends on equipment, what you've got inside and all the rest of it. Very similar, only at the back I think it's better equipped. It looks better. Sorry, I can't say better equipped, but I think it looks better. You've got your toilet down there, you've got a shower, your sink, a shower tray, and 2 burners and a sink. Fridge is down there. This is access to the tent in the roof via the ladder. Storage here also converts to a wardrobe if necessary, and storage. I think this is a very nice looking vehicle. I think it's practical for those who want to keep the vehicle under 2 meters or thereabouts in height, and interesting option. This is, sorry, I said under 2 meters. It's 206, so it's near 2 meters, put it that way. All right, 2 meters is seen as a critical level in Germany, so that's why they're trying to keep their vehicles under that. You can also put lots of solar on the roof, in which case it'll be even more than 206 centimeters in height. But I think there's quite enough space there to get a couple of batteries in and really become self-sufficient in something of this nature. It might be a bit difficult on a very long-term basis, but I mean, if you're going away for short trips and things of that nature, why not? I'll show you another one. This I don't like at all, but you'll see why I don't like it at all. A Duncan 505, 505 centimeters in length. There's your price, 70,000 euros approximately. This is a VW camper, which is built on a Ford. So you've got the sort of the VW side kitchen, you've got the storage and all the rest of it. Now this here, no toilet, no shower. It's got to be self-contained. It's the self-contained, not being self-contained, which gives us campers a bad name in certain quarters. People think that we just nip behind the bushes and all the rest of it and not take our rubbish away with us. That's why I don't like that, but I do like this, and I do like that one there as well. So a little bit of politics there, my opinion anyway, mixed in. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15. Lots of tiny campers on this site, and so if you're interested in that sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe. But for the moment, from me in Stuttgart, Germany, thanks for watching. Bye for now.